Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you one experiment using red tea. So let's start how to do this one. So first starting this experiment we need some materials. So first like I'm just taking one lemon here and also like if you can see, right, so this is like one glass of like red tea. So this red tea I will use and I will add like same amount of tea in glass 1 and glass 2, and also like I just taking some baking soda. So this I will use also like for experiment, and one spoon also required like for mixing that one. So let's start how to do this one. So this tea, right, I need to add in here glass 1. The same amount of tea also I need to add in glass 2. So what I need to do now, so this two glass now equal amount of equal amount of tea. So let me add something here also. So what I need to do, like this lemon, let me cut this one. So here you can see, right, so this lemon I need to add in glass 1, and the baking soda I need to add like this lemon I will add in glass 1, and this baking soda I need to add in glass 2. Let's start like how to do this process. So let me squeeze this lemon in the glass 1. So second one also let me add here. Let me mix this one through spoon. So now like you can see the difference, like this is like some dark red and this is light red. Like I'm not adding the baking soda yet, but you can see the difference. So let me add in the second glass, let me add baking soda. So let me mix this one. So you can see the difference. So this is the left one, like it's like lighty like maroon, you can see, right? So here like some light red, so you can see this is the difference. Like if you are using lemon in like the red tea, the color will change. So thank you so much, like those who are watching my video. If you think like this video is helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.